Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In front of me is the C6 Callaway Corvette with the biggest upgrade we have ever done. Now you guys have seen the C6 before, there's a picture on the screen, but we have transformed it into this. Check it out. Oh my goodness. Look at this. The wrap is amazing. Now here's a quick backstory. My dad owns a pair of shoes. There's another picture on the screen right now. And this car matches the shoes that he bought. This is insane. And we got some Carson racing wheels to match it. This is insane. Oh, look at this. Let's go. Oh my gosh, how many hours do you think was put into this car to do the wrap? Because I know that the Grand Sports, they're big and they're really hard to wrap.
It's hard to say, maybe a week.
A week or so?
About a week or so, yeah.
This is
10-hour days, Monday through Friday.
Oh my goodness. Well, I think it's worth it. This thing looks absolutely insane. Now, I'm the only one here right now, and my dad hasn't seen this. He has not been updated on the progress, so we are going to get his raw reaction on camera. I cannot wait. All right, guys, we are closing in, but I'm not gonna let you see it until my dad does. It looks insane. Like, this seriously looks insane. What do you think?
So ridiculous.
So ridiculous.
I can't believe he went with orange and black, but boy does it look good.
So good. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited.
Dude, I can't believe how much work this was, but it was worth every bit of it.
100%. The little details in this car is insane.
The stripe, man. The stripe is where it's at. They really tied it all together. I'm stoked.
Me
I
too.
can't wait to see his reaction.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Yep.
This is intense. Last emblem going on. Boom.
There you go, Ozzy. Good job, Ozzy.
Woo! Let's go! It's done, everybody!
Way to go, Ozzy. Way to go.
Way to go.
Way to go.
Way to go, team.
All right, everybody. First of all, the sun is in my eyes. This kind of sucks. The car is ready. It is parked right now in the garage. My dad is gonna pull around and we are going to get his reaction on camera. This is insane, you guys. I just saw the car completely finished and it looks crazy. You can probably hear it right now in the video. I am so excited. All right, it's the big moment. Ready?
No, I'm not.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Sounds good.
Yes, it does.
Holy shit. What the fuck? Yes! Oh my god.
Check it out.
That is so sick.
Woo!
Yes. Yeah, I'm not disappointed at all. That's badass.
Let's go! Let's go!
Dude.
What do you think? You love it?
Yes.
Yeah, it turned out sick.
That looks like a legit fucking race car now.
Yeah, it does.
That is
Oh, it's
insane.
even better out in the sunlight, isn't it?
Holy cow.
Damn. That's the problem with trying.
All right, the car is officially finished. Everybody loves it, including my dad. Now, we are going to display it in public for the first time tomorrow at Houston's Hot Chicken Cars and Coffee. So I will see you guys then. Let's get it. All right, everybody, we have made it here to Houston's Hot Chicken. Everybody loves the wrap. This is insane, you guys. So sick. What up, buddy?
How are you, man?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
What do you think of the wrap?
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
That's the first time I've seen it.
It's the first time anybody has seen
Really?
it. Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's so sick.
Insane,
I gotta
huh?
find your dad and tell him congrats, man.
Oh, look, you get the shot. Did you get the shot?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
100%.
Trying.
What do you think? What do you think of the wrap?
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, there it is. Oh, it looks
That's pretty.
so
When'd you guys
sick.
get it finished?
Today. We
Oh.
literally picked it up today. This is the first time it's been shot in public.
That's very nice. We're gonna have to do a video of it.
100%.
Let's get it.
Let's do it.
Guys, the new Corvette livery is absolutely insane. I mean, hear me out. He's got the matching shoes to the car. I mean, it doesn't get better than that.
No, absolutely not.
The sun's crazy right now, but
Dude, just look.
trust me, it's
Even
there.
just on video. Right
There you go.
There we
Perfect.
go. Boom. New screensaver for you guys.
Yep. There you go.
Screenshot right now.
Booyah.
All right, what do you think of the wrap?
Dude, it's unbelievable. It looks so good.
Insane, huh?
It looks so good.
Absolutely. And with the matching shoes too.
No, dude, that's
Have
what
you
I'm
seen
saying.
the matching shoes?
Yes, dude, it looks so clean. Like seriously, in the end, so clean.
Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. And this sunset too, gold.
Dude,
Absolute gold.
absolutely picture perfect.
Yes.
Picture perfect.
All right, everybody. On that note, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And if you see the Corvette rolling around, make sure to post it on Instagram and tag ATDA_official and @Drive Road Rally. See you guys in the next one.